Hello everyone. So today I'm going to go over how I schedule my classes for VIPKid. And I've kind of learned this through trial and error and what works best for me. So I'll just kind of share this info with you and hopefully it helps you with your scheduling of your classes. So this is the VIPKid homepage when you log in through the website. At the bottom of the video, I'll put my little refer a friend code if you are interested in VIPKid. And I would love to answer any questions if you put anything down in the comments below. So I'm going to go ahead and click class, and then I'm going to go ahead and click bookings. So this is pulling up today is Sunday, so it's pulling up the tail end of the week. You'll see kind of already how I had things scheduled out. So I'm just going to flip over to next week. And so so right now you see everything grayed out. So to ungray things is the little lock button up here. Just click unlock, and now I can go ahead and start booking classes. Now I have two classes booked on Wednesday and one class booked on Thursday. Now my school, I have to be at school by 8:30. Takes me about a half hour to get to my school, and I like to get to my school a half hour early. So the latest I will book any classes during the school week is 7 o'clock. The classes are 25 minutes, so I'll get done right at 7:30. It takes me 30 minutes to get to school, and then I have 30 minutes of downtime before school starts. Now you can see over here where it says peak. You will have a better chance of getting your classes booked if you book during that time. I know personally, I could not get up at 5 o'clock in the morning and have a good functioning day at the rest of the day by getting up that early. So I do not book that early in the morning. The earliest I will book is 6:30. So during the school week, I'll open up my schedule between 6:30 and 7. Sometimes I'll just do 6:30. If depending on how well I'm doing during the month, or if I want to try and earn some more money. I do not book classes on Monday, just because I don't want to have to start off my week of school by getting up even earlier than I have to. And I really want to focus on having a good first day of the school week. I will book my classes. I will do Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday during the school week. I normally leave Friday open, just so I can end the school week without having to worry about getting up early. Now on Saturday and Sundays, I sometimes will book my classes on Saturday and Sundays. So I'm actually not going to be here. I'm going on a little trip this weekend, so that's why I don't have anything open right then. But normally I would have something booked, like usually 7 o'clock on a Saturday and Sunday, not at the early 6:30 time. Um, Let me just move into February here. So I already got a class on, I got two classes next week, so I'm gonna go ahead and just open up something for Tuesday at 6:30. So I just click it and then click right there. Now you see you have a choice of short notice. That means that someone could book the class like 2 hours before the class starts. So you just want to make sure if you are booking short notice that you're giving yourself plenty of time, or making sure you set an alarm to wake up to see if anyone booked short notice. And I'm not going to do short notice, and I'll just leave it at that. So that kind of gives you an idea of how I book my classes during the school week. I am a morning person, so I don't mind getting up, that early. I know some people will do later in the evenings, but that's just not me. And like I said, the schedule itself gives you an idea of when the best time to book your classes. So hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll be glad to help you out. Thanks for watching.